Yeah. All we ever needed was a ooh, ooh. All we ever needed was, yeah. Yeah.
I am about to remove my hair real quick.
All we ever needed was a chance. Wake up every morning, chase the bag, yeah, yeah. Every day we just stuck to the plan. Hit the plug, about to do the dance, yeah, yeah, yeah. No, I can't wait on nobody. Hit the plug, gotta get them. Oh, no, I can't wait on nobody. The man's about to do the dance, yeah.
So I just removed my locks. This is how much shampoo I use. I can already tell I'm gonna run out of this fast because, y'all, I like to lather up. This stuff lathers up so much. It lathers up so much. To say that it has no sulfates in it, no mineral oil, no silicones, this stuff lathers. So it does clean your hair very well because of the lathering. So yeah. So the conditioner is sitting on my head right now. So while it's sitting, I am going to wash my pillowcases. When you wash your hair, you have to wash your pillowcases as well. Just do it. Just do it. So when I tell y'all this conditioner, I have yet to put a comb to my head. I left this on for like probably about 10 minutes. Imagine if you leave it on for 30 and put a cap on it, that whole thing. This stuff was only left on for 10 minutes. I did not need a comb at all for my hair. All I had to do is put my fingers through it and my hair was just like tangle free. That is not a lie. And I was banking on this to be like no good. But it does say on here, it locks in moisture, smooths and softens, controls frizz and untangles. It does untangle. Coconut oil and shea butter. This has milk protein. It has olive oil in it. Flower extract, coconut oil, I said that. Shea butter, I said that. What else? Honey. All that in there. It's pretty good. Now, I used to use honey, pure honey on my hair back in the day. I mean, like 4 years ago. I used to use pure honey. I just stopped because it is kind of messy. But that's great that it is implemented. It is implemented in this product. That is so great.